BricsCAD is a design platform that's incredibly familiar, yet incredibly different. You have a familiar interface with ribbons, workspaces, and command lines, and the ability to import your own custom CUI files. So the learning curve from Legacy CAD to BricsCAD is a flat line. Open a drawing and go. BricsCAD is packed with tools to help you increase your design productivity. Use the Drawing Explorer to drag and drop layer definitions, blocks, and more from one open drawing to another. The Quad is an AI tool palette in a heads-up display right at your cursor. It learns from your design processes and presents the tools you're most likely to want. The Manipulator offers all the standard copy and displacement commands without any command input. BricsCAD offers unique drawing optimization tools. Use Blockify to automatically create a block from selected features and search the drawings for all instances of the same. Use Optimize to identify and fix those annoying little errors that tend to creep into drawings. Take the blocks you create one step further by parameterizing them. One block can have multiple configurations, enabling faster drawing creation. Whether it's changes, reconfigurations, multiple design studies, these can all be carried out more quickly and easily. Streamline your drawing process when it comes to finicky, repetitive tasks. Copy-guided and move-guided enable you to select a set of entities and position a copy of it correctly at the required point. Surrounding geometry is correctly modified completely automatically. With a single platform, BricsCAD makes it easy to move from 2D to 3D. If you're new to 3D, BricsCAD's direct modeling approach works intuitively, like digital clay. Add to that continuous innovation and a flexible license model, you're on your way to discovering a better CAD for your projects.